In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate light mode in Monday.com. If you've been using dark mode and want a brighter, cleaner interface, or you simply prefer a lighter workspace for better visibility during the day, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. The best part is, it only takes a few clicks. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is to open Monday.com and log into your account. Go to Monday.com in your browser and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on any main dashboard or board inside your workspace. It doesn't matter which board you're on, because the theme setting applies to your entire account interface, not just one specific board. As long as you can see your workspace with the navigation panel on the left and your content in the center, you're in the right place. This ensures that when you switch themes, you'll immediately see the changes reflected across your whole Monday.com environment. Next, you'll need to open your profile menu. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded one, your initials inside a colored circle. Click on that icon. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several personal settings and account options, including notifications, administration settings if you're an admin, and display preferences. This is where you control how Monday.com looks and feels for your user account. Take a moment to make sure the drop-down is fully visible so you can clearly see all available options. Inside that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Change Theme. Click on Change Theme, and you'll see the available appearance options for your account. Monday.com typically allows you to choose between dark mode and light mode. To activate light mode, simply select Light from the list. As soon as you click on Light, the interface will instantly switch from dark to bright. You'll notice the background becomes white or light gray, boards appear brighter, and text contrast adjusts automatically for readability. The change happens immediately, and there's no need to refresh the page or save settings manually. Your preference is automatically saved to your account. If at any point you want to switch back to dark mode, you can follow the exact same steps. Click your profile icon, choose Change Theme, and select Dark. You can toggle between modes whenever you like, depending on your working environment or personal preference. Light mode is especially helpful in well-lit rooms or during daytime work sessions, while dark mode can be easier on the eyes at night. And that's it. That's exactly how to activate light mode in Monday.com in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.